So inside the game, we go in and we can see that the stairs here, we've got a problem. If you get right on them, they look like they're being drawn in the right place. However, if you get a little bit away from them, you can see them through the wall. Well, that's not good. So why don't we go and see how we can fix that? First thing we're going to do is we're going to open up the scene XML file and find our stairs. There's our walls. And let's just switch the order on these things. So this is being drawn 0, this is being drawn 1, and see what happens then. So now, we can't see our stairs here, but we get to there, and now the stairs look like they're a mile away. So that's not good. Well, how do we fix this? Well, David has been good enough to offer us another model, and we're just going to include that right here. And we're just going to override this wall, turn that into a wall stairs. Right there. Then we won't need this stairs, so we'll just comment that out. And because we're adding a new model here, we need to once again unload the project. Then we need to go in and add for our tangent frames on wall stairs. And we can save that and fire it up. Now we go over here. Those stairs are, since they're attached to the wall, we don't have any drawing order problems. However, I had been playing a game where I just copy the wall up a couple of times, and we see now that that is causing a problems. So we can go back in here and edit our scene once again. This time, take that wall, and we'll change the key name because we're modifying it differently here. Make sure we get the right name. It's here, bunker, wall, walls war room. And make sure my capitalization is correct. Okay. Now we want just the first instance here, and that's going to be to right there, so we can get rid of other instances. And we want to get rid of the first instance here. 6, 1, 2. Okay. Now when we go back in, we have our stairs being drawn in the right place, but you'll see that some of those other walls are overlapping improperly. I don't like that. So why don't we do this? Go in here, we'll get rid of these walls, comment them out, just go back in and look at it with just one wall. And a lot of times you're going to have to play this kind of a game where you just have to play with the assets until you get what you think is going to look right. So here is what we have right now. You'll note that those shadows look really good against that stairs. Anyways, the way to fix this ultimately is probably going to be to get a ceiling attached to your walls and your stairs, because in the game you're probably going to put in some kind of a portal here, or this is going to attach to another level. And so getting all of that attached as one model might be a good idea. And if you want to, say, move this fire because it looks like it's just a little bit out of the pit, then what you do is you stand right where you think that the fire should be, and you'll notice that we can use that player position to modify the position of our fire. other than that, we're pretty much good to go here. And yep, that's about it. So let's look at how we're going to put this and deploy it on an Xbox. I'll leave that in there. And yep, time to deploy it to an Xbox.